Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Drive not working on Android in a simple way. First, clear the Google Drive cache and app data. Open Settings, tap Apps, then select Google Drive. Go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. If the issue continues, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. This refreshes the app and removes temporary problems. Next, check for updates. Open the Google Play Store, search for Google Drive, and install any available updates. New updates often fix bugs and syncing issues. You should also fully close the app from recent apps and restart your phone. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches running in the background. If files are not loading or syncing, check your internet connection. Turn Wi-Fi or mobile data off and back on, or switch to another network. Also, make sure your phone has enough free storage and enough Google One Cloud storage space. Another important fix is checking background data settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Google Drive, then Mobile Data or Data Usage, and make sure background data is enabled. If the app keeps crashing or will not open, uninstall Google Drive, restart your phone, and reinstall the app from the Play Store. If the problem started after an update, uninstalling may roll the app back to the factory version. Finally, make sure your Android system is updated. Go to Settings, then System Update, and install the latest Android version available. If none of these fixes work, try opening Google Drive in your mobile browser at drive.google.com to confirm whether the issue is with the app or your device. Thanks for watching.